Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In today's video we're going to be leveraging a very cool platform right now called CodeCanyon to actually go on to making money online with the SAAS script. And if you do watch this video right here to the end, you can actually learn how to do so and make a lot of money in the year 2024 and beyond. And if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right here. Also guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So basically guys, if you don't know about CodeCanyon is a very cool platform where you could get lots and lots of cool code, scripts and plugins for every website build of your choice, which you can leverage right now. You could choose from the e-commerce plugins, mobile app templates, PHP, bootstraps and more for any budget, built by the world best developers right now. And guys, you may be wondering, what's a SAAS script all about? If you go onto Google and search for the full meaning of SAAS script, you will actually see that SAAS actually stands as software as a service. It's a software as a service that allows users to connect to and use cloud-based apps over the internet. So this is a very cool particular kind of software, and an example of such software as a service is this particular platform right now, which is called tinyurl.com. This is a very cool software as a service right here. And what this particular software actually offers right now is that they actually help you to go on to shortening your lengthy or long URL. As you can see, you could shorten your long URL right here. You can actually go on to creating shorter URLs with tinyurl. If you want more out of your link shortener, track link analytics, use branded domains or for fully custom links, and manage your links with our paid plans right here. You could also come on to using this for free. Just simply come right here and paste in that lengthy link of your choice and go on to clicking on shorten URL, and it's actually going to go on to giving you a shorter version of that particular URL, of which both URLs that you can see right now are actually leading to the same page right there. So all you need to do is to copy the URL and go on to utilizing that for any purpose of your choice. So this is a very cool software as a service right now. And you may be wondering, how can you make money with this software right here as a service? So basically, if you come onto platforms like this and you do go on to seeing stuff like ads right here, the more you do see ads right now on this particular platform, the more the people that owns this platform goes on to making some cool cash right now. So this is a very cool way which people actually earn money from software as a service right here. And if you do go on to analyzing similar web tinyurl based on similar web statistics, you actually find out that tinyurl also goes on to getting about 63 million visits in the last 28 days right here. This is a huge amount of visits right here. So even though it's doing a very simple task right there, or giving out a very simple service, it's actually getting lots and lots of engagement. If you go into the geography and country targeting, you can see the top countries that visit this website the most, which are United States, Indonesia, Philippines, India, United Kingdom. So going back to the top right now, you'll be able to see the amount that tinyurl actually makes annually right here. They make an annual revenue between $10 million to $15 million right now. So this is a very cool way you can actually go on to earning money right here just by using a very cool suite software as a service right now. And you can just simply get that from this platform called CodeCanyon right here. So if you're on this section that says code, all you need to do is to come onto this particular section right here, and you want to just simply search for something related to the kind of software as a service you want to utilize, because there are different software as a service right there. There are software as a service that can actually help you create videos, do a lot of cool stuff right there, and not just shorten a link. So if I want to focus on the link shortener right here and I just simply search for link right now, I will be able to see a lot of cool software and code right here that I can go on to buying right now and go on to purchasing for some cool amount right here and utilize that for my pages right now. And if I do keep on scrolling, maybe I might actually see a link shortener website right here. As you can see, there are actually lots of cool offers right here, but this one actually quite piques my eyes, because you can see right here, this is a link for the bio link or URL shortener platform. As you can see, this is a very cool PHP script that you can go on to utilizing to create a page such as a tinyurl right here, and go on to giving out a very cool software as a service and make money. As you can see, this is an ad that has actually popped up right here. As I'm seeing this ad, the owners of this particular platform goes on to making some cool cash right here. So basically, going back to this particular section, you can see I can go on to purchasing this script for about $59 right here, and at about this script has gotten about 1.3 thousand sales right here. All you need to do is to come right here, click on view preview, and if you do go on to previewing this right now, you'll be able to see how cool the page actually goes on to looking like. This is the billing right here. You could create, this is how it looks like, where you can just simply click and click worthy links right here with this platform, pasting the link and shortening that right here. So all you need to do is to purchase this right here. And if you do purchase this particular PHP code, you just need a developer to actually help you install that in any website of your choice or any page or your personal website, and you can actually get this software as a service and go on to utilizing that to make money once you actually do go on to publicizing that right now. So this is a very cool strategy I advise you do take advantage of right here. You could go on to focusing on any other software as a service and utilize that right there. Maybe you could just simply focus on something that actually quite solves a very good problem right there in a cool localization right now. Maybe something that is not very common and which a lot of people are actually in need of. If you do search and research for something like that, then go on to searching for cool software as a service that can actually go on to solving such problems and utilize that to make money. So if the video added any form of value to you, why not just simply leave a like button to the video? You could also subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.